Hey guys, welcome back. Circular linked list is a list where all the nodes are connected to form a circle, which means there is no null at the end. Let's see this linked list. If you see the singly linked list and doubly linked list, last node reference will point to null, right? But in circular linked list, last node reference will point to first node so that it will form a circle. Here you can start your iteration from anywhere you want, but in singly linked list or doubly linked list, you can start the iteration from the head node only, which means first node. We can form a circular linked list by using singly linked list as well as doubly linked list. If you want to travel clockwise from the linked list, you can use singly linked list. If you want to travel clockwise and anti-clockwise as well, you can use doubly linked list. It's up to your requirement. If you consider the complexities for the basic operations like access, insert new element in the linked list, or deleting the element, or search the element from circular linked list, it's similar to singly linked list and doubly linked list, which is complexity will be O of n for all the operations.